Hey, what is up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you still remember this face, I honestly wonder if anyone would remember my face because I've been that inconsistent on my channel. I don't know how do I manage to get always enough excuses for not being regular on my channel, but honestly it's high time. I don't want to say or commit anything, but I'll try posting more often and taking up this channel further. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Today's video is going to be, as you guys read the title by now, it is going to be a jewelry haul. Now, you know what kind of a shopaholic I am. So I purchased like quite a bit of Indian jewelry online. There was this sale going on Ajio. I think it's still going on. I'll link all the products that I purchased in the description box below, and I'll also insert pictures on the screen. You can see it somewhere over here or here, anywhere on the screen. And I've purchased quite a variety of Indian jewelry because I didn't own much of Indian jewelry. I only own junk jewelry and dainty H&M pieces, but I did not have like a proper laid out Indian jewelry collection. And now that I have, let's jump into the video. So everything arrived in plastic containers like these, and all the pieces that I've ordered are from the same brand called Zaveri Pearls. Like, I know you must have all heard this brand. So yeah, and also it arrived in like carton boxes like these black ones. First piece looks like this. So the first piece looks like this. This is a really beautiful choker necklace, and this has this ruby detailing, and it has this ruby detailing, like it's obviously imitated. So there's this red stud over here, and there's kundan work going on, and there are also dangling pearls, and this looks really pretty when you put it on. And this comes with a set of earrings, like a pair of earrings, and also mangtika. Moving on to the second piece, this is such a gorgeous kundan neck piece. Let me give you a close-up. Like, this is such a beautiful piece. Now this piece comes with a mangtika and the matching earrings, and yeah, this makes the set pretty full and complete. Let's move on to another heavy piece. Like, this is the heaviest of all. So this is like one of those tacky choker necklaces that you see Indian aunties wear in functions. So yeah, that's something really tacky, and as much as I hate to admit it, I'm kind of into it. So that's the reason why I bought this piece. This one's really heavy, so I'm warning you. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Excuse me, what? If this is an extra for you, I don't know what is. And honestly, I'm living for the extra glam that this piece just adds to any ethnic outfit. And the earrings are like super pretty. Like, I haven't had something like this in my collection. Really looking forward to wearing these out. Moving on to the fourth piece of jewelry. This is a choker. Now I really wanted something like a pearl choker, but I did not want it to be like full of pearls. Like, I wanted something different in pearl choker. This piece is honestly so versatile. This can go on pretty much everything. Like, I can wear this with the Indian ethnic dress, and also I can pull this off pretty much on a western dress, I guess. I mean, fashion has no rules. You can just pair anything with everything and you're sure gonna create a statement. So yep, this can very well go with my other crop tops and things like that, which have a really deep neck, and to cover it up and to amp the outfit up a little bit, I can add this choker, and it really looks damn pretty. And it also comes with these mesh sort of earrings. Now, next up we have this fifth pair. Now all of the previous ones, those were either choker necklaces or like the, what do you call those, like the necklace, I guess. I'm just really long. So all of the ones that I showed you previously were choker necklaces mostly, and I wanted something long, like a long layered chain. Now if you're wearing a sari, even if you don't wear a choker, like just a layered necklace looks really classy, and I wanted something in this style. So I got this layered necklace. Let me just quickly show you guys. So the necklace looks like this with a lot of kundans and lots and lots of dangling pearls. This looks absolutely gorgeous on like your solid kurtas and your solid saris. Like this will amp up your outfit and change the freaking game. Now let me quickly put this on and show you guys. I mean, look how pretty this necklace looks. It's nice and layered. Like this has how many layers? Like 1, 2, 3. So this has 3 heavy layers. You could either wear a choker and layer it with this one, or you could just wear this on its own. It looks really dang pretty, and it comes with its own matching pair of earrings. These earrings are pretty dangly, and yeah, these are pretty cool with the kundan detailing on the top and the dangling pearls, the dangling string of pearls, I would like to call it. So yep, this is another interesting piece of jewelry that I got, and this was not on the greatest deal, I would say. I paid around like $1,000 for this one, this chain alone, which is a little expensive compared to the other pieces of jewelry that I got for like way less. So yeah, I paid quite a bit for this one, but yeah, I ended up loving this when I saw this in real. So no regrets, and I absolutely am gonna love wearing this out. Moving on to the next category, these are the boxes from Zaveri Pearls again. So yeah, these are lighter pieces of jewelry. Like these are light in weight and also like really dainty and stuff. I really like wearing these circular rings on my ethnic wear. So these cover like the entire portion of your 2 fingers. So this is really pretty. So there is this pearl detailing going on the sides, and in the middle it's kind of blue meenakari sort of a work. I'm not really sure what is this called, so yeah, I'm assuming it is called that. And there's also a lot of kundans going on over here. This is such a pretty piece, and I just paid about $300 for this one, and that's a good deal. Next up we have a South Indian jewelry piece. Now this resembles like a lot like a South Indian neck piece. So yeah, I could be wrong, but yeah, that's what it looks like to me. This piece screams traditional South Indian jewelry to me. Now I'm a South Indian, and if I ever wear a South Indian sari or something, I'm gonna love wearing this on top of that. Now this piece screams South Indian jewelry to me. I don't know, I could relate. I felt I could relate to this, and I could totally wear this on a South Indian sari. And it comes with its really pretty, really tiny jhumkas, and this set is not at all heavy, although it looks a little heavy, and it's extremely lightweight. So are the earrings, and yeah, and it has these red stones that I really like. It adds like a pop of color, and also the white kundans in the middle, and they just finish it off with these dangling pearls in the bottom. Everything about this set I really love, and I just fell in love when I just saw it on the screen. And trust me, indeed it looks really pretty. Like in the screen it didn't look that impressive, but I really fell for this piece. Like this is one of my favorites from the entire collection. Like call me a little old school, but yeah, that's my jam, girl. That's my total jam. So the next one I picked up isn't a neck piece or anything, and on the days that I don't really want to wear anything in my neck, I'm just gonna show you these earrings, because if I put the mang tika, it just messed up my hair real time, so I'm not gonna wear that. And yeah, the mang tika looks similar to the earrings. Of course, it's the same design. So yep, that's what it looks like. It looks really pretty, and yeah, I mean, this would really complement all your Indian kurtis. So This is a really pretty piece, and this was again for dirt cheap. Yep. Now, Indian jewelry doesn't necessarily mean heavy jewelry, like heavy ones that fill your neck and all. It can also be as dainty as it can get, and you know, make you look really, really pretty. And yeah, this is one of such a piece. This is such a unique piece, and this is a choker neck piece, and I was kind of skeptical when I was like ordering this online. Like this was so inexpensive, and I wasn't sure of the quality if I was going to get a good one. Now the thing with this neck piece is that it's all woven with thread, not that you can see the thread. When you flip it backwards, you can see the thread detailing going on. Obviously you're not gonna wear it like, you know, reverse, so that's all fine. Whatever lies behind, no one can see it, so that's all fine. And for the price, I think this is the most worth it wala piece. I'd highly recommend getting this piece. I mean, like, the price I paid for this and the kind of quality I received, bang on. And that's not it, you guys. It comes with its own pair of earrings and also a mang tika. Again, this is such a cute little mang tika. Like, this is so unique, and it has like woven pearls. So I mean, like, this is the prettiest, like probably the prettiest amongst all. Now I know I'm gonna keep saying that to every single piece, but honestly, like, for the price I paid for this, makes it totally worth it, and I am in love with this piece officially. Okay, now we are almost at the end of this video. I promise that's not going to be any more longer, and we are at the last piece. And now I saved this piece for the end because this one, now this little piece of jewelry has been all over the internet, and I've seen almost every other person on YouTube wear this, and yeah, that got me really excited. And the design is pretty unique, and yeah, these people made this really famous, this design, and I wanted one for myself, so I got this on a great discount. This is the piece. I mean, look how gorgeous that looks on the camera, and trust me, in real life that's going to be even more better. So this is a piece, and I actually wanted this piece in the color red, but I could not find red, and there was this emerald green color. I thought it was kind of cool to match my green outfits. This can even go well with any solid color, like neutral tones. This would really go well with neutral tones. Now that's what it looks like when you wear it. I'm sure I just, you know, I'm wearing it a little tighter. That's the reason it's looking a little odd. But yeah, you can loosen this up, you can tighten, you can wear it as, like, you know, however you want. And this is of such a good quality. I mean, everything was bang on. The pearls, the kundans, and everything was bang on. I have nothing much to say about this. You can see it for yourself. Yeah, that brings us to the end of this video, and these were all the pieces of jewelry that I got from Ajio. And yeah, hope you guys liked my picks. I mean, I found like the best of best. There are like so many varieties for you to choose from, and I thought these were the best and the, you know, fanciest one that I've picked up. If you think this video was helpful in any way, please consider subscribing my channel, and also hit that little bell icon right beside it so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And if you guys want more of such haul content, then please comment down below. Also, promoting my Instagram just a little bit. If you want to see how I did this makeup today, you can head on to my Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description box below, so follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys super soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.